Well, just because you're a mom doesn't mean you can't be a hot mom, right? Well, that's how we all feel. Well, cosmetic surgery has come a long way, baby, and Dr. Thomas Kotoske is here to show us how, you know what, he can help you get your hotness back from head to toe. And you know what mommy doesn't long for a whole body makeover, Dr. K?
I don't know one. I do not know one.
Well, I know you have a lot of women that come into your office, but we're talking about kind of a mommy makeover, which really means that you can take care of anything from the tip of their head to the top of their toes. So what does a mommy makeover really mean?
It's giving back to the mom. The mom's given so much of her life to her children, to the family, to her husband. Now it's time to take some time and do a few things to refine, rejuvenate themselves.
I like how you think, and I think every mom at home just went, yes, I like this guy. Let's talk about procedures now, and I want to start at the top of the head because a lot of people come in, you know, and whether you're a mom or a working mom, it doesn't matter, time is of the essence. You can actually do multiple procedures at a time. If you take a look at this before and after, and that's exactly what you were able to do here.
Absolutely. I mean, the key is understanding what the patient would like to achieve, and then working within certain parameters to make that happen. And on this woman, it was eyelid surgery, it was correction of her nose, it was a mini facelift to correct her facial issues and so forth, completely rejuvenating. And did that in probably about 2.5 hours.
Really?
And so
all of that?
All of that.
Wow.
And it's done under sedation, you know, minimal pain. So she did absolutely fantastic. But you can go from an entire spectrum of different procedures to achieve results like that are very minimally invasive.
And look at how gorgeous she looks. I mean, years off of just her face alone. All right, so as we move down, and I know that you really encourage people to come in, they have an idea of what they think they might need, but they really need to leave it up to you. I mean, you're the expert, and you're going to be able to tell them honestly, you know, what kind of procedure is going to work best for them.
The key is expectations. It's meeting the expectations, doing the appropriate procedure, but, you know, people need to know what the limitations are of each procedure, what the outcome is going to be like, what type of post-operative recovery period and so forth. But, you know, we can lay a plan out that basically allows them to achieve their ultimate goals.
Absolutely, and it's a customizable plan, which is really the point here of what we're talking about today. Let's go on to some other before and afters. We're going to move down from the face into some other body parts here. A breast aug is something that, especially after having a couple babies, I don't know, you know, one single woman out there who wouldn't like to, you know, have their youth back.
Sure. Breast augmentation, liposuction, tummy tuck, this is probably one of the most rejuvenating procedures that we do. And we have so many different types of implants now, whether we're using a cohesive gel gummy bear type implant or a saline implant. We have different sizes and shapes, so we can really do a lot to tailor the breast to exactly what that patient is looking for.
And one of the things that you always tell us too when you come on the show is that, you know, you know, this is not about overdoing it either. It's about what works for your body type and your body shape.
Absolutely. I mean, keeping patients in proportion, working from those parameters, and then, you know, depending on how voluptuous they'd like to be, we can accomplish that. But it always starts with, let's keep it in proportion to your body frame and so forth.
That before and after right there just always blows my mind. I mean,
she was such a great transformation, such a happy woman, changed her life.
And a lot of this you can do. You have your own surgical room there at your office, so you don't have to go into an outpatient facility or a hospital. Right.
I have my own operative team. I have been practicing for 20 years in the Valley with my own surgical suite, private surgical suite. So we're very attuned to patient care, anonymity. And so it's worked very well over the years.
Well, excellent. Well, I want to tell you about a special offer that Dr. Kotoske, along with his Cosmetic Surgery Institute, it's basically a spring special for you moms out there. He's offering you $500 off selected procedures. All you have to do when you call and make your appointment is mention Sonoran Living, and they will give you that special offer, 623-516-2639. So if you're wondering if you're a good candidate for what Dr. Kotoske is offering today, he also does free consultations. That's every Tuesday and Thursday. Bring your questions to that appointment at 623-516-2639 or log on to bodybykotoske.com.